SolarSME is excited to announce the brand new Solar Referral program where anyone can become an advocate of SolarSME and earn cash rewards. Start by downloading the Advocator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a new account by using our company code 6999. After you've successfully signed up, you can go ahead and start submitting your referrals. Click on the menu and go to Add Referrals. Fill out the form with your referral's contact information and click Submit. In order to track your referrals, go to the menu and click on Referral History. Here you can see the updated status of all your referrals. There are different stages at which our advocates are rewarded. A cash reward of $50 is paid when we have successfully completed a virtual appointment with your referral. The next reward of $1,000 is paid when your referral goes solar with us and the deal is sold. There's also a bonus reward of $500 on every 5 of your referrals that are sold. You can track your reward payments in the Advocator Wallet tab. You can get your rewards in your bank account, pick a prepaid debit card, or choose from over 250 different gift cards. You can get more referrals by sharing a referral link to your social media accounts. Select the platform that you want to share on, and every new user who joins using your link will automatically be added in your referrals list. Congratulations! You are now an advocate of SolarSME. Good luck!